Hello and welcome to today's video, where we will explore one of the most fascinating mysteries of the animal world. How pigeons always find their way home. Pigeons are one of the most remarkable birds that have been used for various purposes for hundreds of years, including delivering messages, racing, and even in scientific research. One of the most remarkable abilities of pigeons is their homing instinct. These birds have the remarkable ability to find their way back to their roost, even if they have been released hundreds of miles away. In this video, we will explore the secrets behind this amazing ability and try to answer the question, how do pigeons always find their way home? Introduction to pigeons. Before we dive into the homing abilities of pigeons, let's first get to know these birds a little better. Pigeons, also known as rock doves, are a member of the Columbidae family. They are found all over the world and have been domesticated for various purposes, including racing and messenger services. Pigeons are medium-sized birds, typically about 11 to 15 inches in length, and weigh between 0.5 to 1.5 pounds. They have a characteristic plump body, small head, and short neck. Pigeons come in a variety of colors and patterns, including white, gray, black, and brown. They are known for their distinctive cooing sound and their ability to fly for long distances. The homing ability of pigeons. One of the most remarkable abilities of pigeons is their homing instinct. This ability has been known for centuries and has been utilized by humans for various purposes. Pigeons have been used for centuries to deliver messages and even as war messengers during World War I and II. But how do pigeons always find their way back home, even if they have been released hundreds of miles away? The navigation system of pigeons. To understand how pigeons navigate their way home, we need to first understand their navigation system. Pigeons use a combination of various sensory inputs to navigate their way home. These include their sense of smell, vision, and even their hearing. Pigeons also have a built-in magnetic compass that helps them orient themselves with the Earth's magnetic field. Sense of smell. One of the most important sensory inputs that pigeons use to navigate their way home is their sense of smell. Pigeons have an excellent sense of smell and can detect odors from miles away. They use this sense of smell to navigate their way home by following familiar scents. Pigeons can also detect subtle changes in air pressure and temperature, which help them navigate their way home. Vision. Pigeons also rely heavily on their vision to navigate their way home. They have excellent eyesight and can see things from far away. Pigeons use visual landmarks to navigate their way home. These landmarks can be anything from tall buildings, trees, or even unique geographical features. Pigeons also use the position of the sun to help them navigate their way home. They can detect the position of the sun even on cloudy days and use it to orient themselves. Magnetic compass. Another important navigational tool that pigeons use is their built-in magnetic compass. Pigeons have magnetite crystals in their beaks, which act as tiny magnets. These crystals help pigeons detect the Earth's magnetic field and use it to orient themselves. Pigeons are also sensitive to the inclination of the magnetic field, which helps them determine their latitude, time and distance. Pigeons also use their sense of time to navigate their way home. They have an internal clock that helps them determine the time of day, which they use to calculate their position relative to the sun. Pigeons can also estimate distances based on the time it takes them to fly a certain distance. They have a remarkable ability to gauge their speed and adjust their flight path accordingly. Research on pigeon navigation. Scientists have been studying pigeon navigation for decades, and their research has revealed some fascinating insights into how pigeons find their way home. For example, studies have shown that pigeons can remember specific routes and landmarks, even after years of not flying that particular route. Researchers have also found that pigeons use a combination of sensory inputs, including smell, vision, and their magnetic compass, to navigate their way home. The role of genetics. Recent research has also suggested that genetics may play a role in pigeon navigation. Scientists have identified specific genes that are associated with homing ability in pigeons. These genes are involved in the development of the pigeon's nervous system, which is responsible for processing and interpreting sensory information. This suggests that homing ability may be a hereditary trait that is passed down from generation to generation. Applications of pigeon navigation. The homing ability of pigeons has been used for various purposes throughout history. Pigeons were used as messenger birds during times of war and were even used to deliver mail in some countries. Today, pigeon racing is a popular sport in many parts of the world. Pigeon racing involves releasing pigeons from a specific location and timing how long it takes them to return to their home roost. This sport requires a great deal of skill and training, both for the pigeons and their handlers. The homing ability of pigeons is truly remarkable. These birds have a complex navigation system that involves a combination of sensory inputs, including their sense of smell, vision, and their magnetic compass. Research has revealed that genetics may also play a role in pigeon navigation. Pigeons are truly fascinating birds, and their homing ability is just one of the many amazing things about them. Thank you for watching this video.